One of the Stihl hedge cutter, the HS45, the consumer models, it makes this kind of funny noise from the clutch. So I'm gonna open it, see if there's something wrong there. So this is the sound. I think it might be the bearing in there actually, but I'm gonna remove the engine and see if there's something else wrong in there, and maybe just change this bearing. So the clutch assembly it's okay. It's not loose or anything like that, and we can just keep that one. However, the bearing down here is bad, so I'm gonna have to change that. Okay, to get that one out, I just took a hammer like this and gave it a few taps, and now it started to move. So now I think it's quite easy to get out. I think the problem is that it's water in this. So just had this as a kind of an anvil, and you can see there are some marks here, but I think that won't matter. And I just tapped this bearing out. So now I just have to get a new one, and then this hedge trimmer is for sale. So I got a new bearing from EcoG Automotive. So I'm just gonna tap it in here. I got a socket there holding up against here, so I won't ruin anything. So while I was working with this, my lovely wife came in. She gave me this glass of wine and knäckebröd with cheese and some fig marmalade. So, see, wives are really good to have. So I just tap this gear in, and I used a 15mm socket to hold this here. And that way there will be no strain on the bearing, because the socket, it holds against the inner race like that. I had it on this here. Let me show you. It's like this. Very simple. So it's time to put the engine back in, and now there's no noise. Nick!
Lite som en njure.
Blev en njure. that concludes my Stihl HS45 video. My wife tried it out and she thought it was a bit too heavy, and I tried it, and well, it's definitely heavier than a battery operated, but it's also much stronger. You can take much thicker branches. So actually, I borrowed this back from my neighbor, because when I had finished working with it, he wanted it, so he bought it from me. So just borrowed it now to try it out. So I hope you liked this video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.